Hello YouTube, Stage75 here with Mega Box Break number 2 of 2018-2019 Panini Prizm Basketball. These Mega Boxes have 6 packs, but the difference is that instead of 4 cards per pack, there's 10 cards per pack. I already went over all the stats of the box in break number 1. You get 4 Prizms, 4 silver Prizms on average per box, and you get 14 Mega Box exclusives of the red ice Prizms. So let's see how we do. I bought 4 of these Mega Boxes. I decided I'm going to just open the second one and then call it quits. I'm going to keep the other 2 sealed. We'll see how that pans out down the road. But for now, we'll just open these 2. And then the first one, I guess the best thing I got out of the first one was probably the right there, Costa Santupo of the red ice. Got a Giannis too, so I think they're brothers or cousins. I'm pretty sure they're brothers. So we keep plucking away, try and get a big hit on this one. I mean, I got a few silver rookies, but nothing bigger than Costas. So, oh, we got okay, Kemba Walker, Eric Bledsoe, or Jerry West. That's something new right there. That's different. Patty Mills, Wendell Carter Jr. Hopefully he's good because we got a red ice rookie of him. Oh, and a silver rookie, nice, of Dan Musa. So hopefully he turns out to be something. So we got a silver rookie of him. Hall monitors of Allen Iverson, that's pretty cool. And a sophomore second-year card of Mr. Kyle Kuzma. So that's not bad. Sergei Ibaka. So the first pack wasn't so bad. It wasn't terrible. It wasn't amazing. It was just okay. On to pack number 2. Haven't gotten any autos yet in any of these retail packs that I've broken today. Have not gotten a single auto. Mortiz Wagner, rookie base. I think that's my first base rookie. Him and first base rookie of this guy too, Kamenzi Mitu. Cannot say these names. Derek Favors, Jabari Parker. Okay, Bam Adebayo, second year red ice. Jeff Green. Boo, no rookies. Tristan Thompson. We got a freshman phenoms of Wendell Carter Jr. So that's pretty cool. All right. Zach LaVine. Dwayne Dedman. All right. So that's the first 2 packs down. On to pack number 3. Getting to the halfway point almost. Oh, don't fight with me. Don't fight with me. I'll rip you open. You're going to fight with me and make me work for it. You better give me something good here. Ish Smith. Kid's parents didn't like him. Naming him Ish. Dennis Smith Jr. Gordon Hayward for my Celtics. Chandler Parsons. Dion Waters, base, red ice. TJ Leaf, second year, red ice. And a silver second year of Zach Collins. And an emergent of Anthony Simmons. And a funky afro for emergent right there. And Nicholas Batum. And D Rose. So that pack kind of sucked. Not gonna lie. Nothing spectacular. So we're at the halfway point here. We're breaking open the 4th pack. I have 6. Let's see how we do. Chris Middleton, Tobias Harris, Anthony Davis, Kyle Korver, Zanova, red ice, Scottie Pippen, red ice. That's pretty cool. That's super cool. And he's got the border again, but it's not a rookie. But it looks like a rookie. And it's a Prizm. Out of Kobe Bryant dominance. I still don't know. That might be a Prizm. Kobe Bryant dominance, and a D'Anthony Melton base rookie, and a Jamal Murray. So that pack was, that pack was in. It wasn't horrible, it wasn't super good, but it wasn't the worst. It was alright. Never get mad at getting a Kobe. Got some rookies in there. Alright. Haven't got any Lonzo Balls yet. Markelle Fultz sophomore year. That's my first one of him. And Stanley Johnson. Robin Lopez, Red Ice, and Larry Nance Jr., which is... And Shabazz Napier, which is more... And George Hill Silva, which is more... Crap. Nothing good here. Get hyped, Kyrie Irving. That's kind of cool. Omari Spellman and a Josh Hart. I thought Josh Hart was a rookie last year. Huh. All right. Neither of them were silver. They were both base. All right. Let's move along with this. We're on the final pack. This box kind of sucked so far. Nothing big. Nothing noteworthy. Nothing crazy. Hopefully we get something here. Come on. Utah Watanabe. More garbage. Aaron Collins in it. No rookies on the red ice. More garbage. Total garbage. Jalen Brown. Big deal. Trae Young emergent. That's pretty cool. At least we got a Trae Young. Still could have been silver. Would have been nice. And Josh Jackson, second year. All right, guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the break. I'm not breaking any more of those boxes because I'm not really. They're not yielding anything, so better off saving them and sell them down the road when they're worth a lot of money. So have a great night, everyone. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all your support. Please remember to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. Have a good night. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.